hear that noise? Doesn't sound good, does it? So guess what we're doing today? Go attempt to change the brakes in my car. I did it on my Grand Prix with some help from a buddy. I'm gonna try these. I feel like it ain't too hard, and the nice thing with YouTube is there's a bunch of videos out there of people showing you how to do it. If you aren't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. That really helps grow my channel, helps keeps me motivated to keep going. So I think about 90% of my viewers right now aren't subscribed, so make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment down below. I like to say, ain't nothing to it but to do it, so let's go and do it. Alright guys, hopefully you can hear me. We got the heater going in the garage, getting her warmed up. Like I said, we're going to try to get these brakes done. That's what YouTube's for, is to just learn. So you got 2 bolts that hold the caliper on the back side. There's one here, and there's one down low, and that's what we're working on getting off. Alright, so those these top 2 bolts here. Rotor looks like it's in alright shape. It's got a couple gouges, but pads have seen better days. Found it was easier to turn the wheel outside, and then obviously this is a good time to check, make sure your boots are good still, sealed up. Check everything else out. Rusty, but it'll work. see it's a little shiny there. The Duragold or Duralast Gold ceramic brake pads. This comes with hardware like the clips and stuff. You obviously suggest changing those when you change your brake pads. So these do have the lifetime warranty. And then I got them from AutoZone. They were $55, and if you're a first responder, you get 10% off. So just make sure if you're a first responder, I think military too, you can get 10% off on your order. Alright. Pads in. That was a bitch to get them in. And while doing that, I busted this clip. So hopefully it doesn't make a big difference. So now we gotta get this caliper pressed. I just need some chin locks there. Yeah, that clamp will probably work.
Just to squeeze that.
Yeah, just to squeeze the caliper. Two 14mm bolts. Those come off to take the caliper off. There's your caliper. These brake pads look just as bad. Yeah,
That's pretty poor.
not much pad left on that one.
Other one.
Yeah. So make sure you always change these brackets out. Like I said, you can buy that kit that comes right with it. Comes with 2 brand new ones per wheel, so. And then where's the ANSCs did? These just go on. Just put them right down in there. Probably clean it off, but little ANSCs right there where the pads ride. Just don't get any on your disc. You just gotta finesse. I mean, it's just trying to get it in, but got that all wrapped up. Last thing we have to do is check the brake fluid. Start it up, pump it a couple times, check the brake fluid, and then we can go make sure we stop. Ooh, she's smushy. There we go, we're starting to get some fluid back into it. It went all the way to the floor the first couple pushes. Yeah, now it's pretty solid, so we'll check the brake fluid, make sure that's good still, and then we'll go for a little ride.
That could be either power steering or
No, it says brake. Yeah, alright, yeah, looks good. Cool. Yeah. Oh yeah, stuff's good. No scratchy brakes anymore. Do a couple hard stops and see. I'll have to retorque my wheels. Oh yeah, she's good. It sounds like maybe there's a little bit of air in the line, but I'm not sure. Yeah, works good. I'm happy with it. It's not making any noise. So, like I said, you know, you guys can do about anything. You look stuff up on the internet. There's so many tutorials on YouTube to figure out how to do stuff. So don't be afraid to tackle it yourself. Like I said, it was $52 with, or right around $50 with my 10% discount from AutoZone. So it would have cost me probably triple that to have somebody else do it. And it literally took me an hour and 15 minutes. It's just after 12 now, so. But no, brakes are doing good. All the air's out of the line now. It's not making the whooshing noise. So, but I appreciate you guys for coming along. Like I said, don't ever be afraid to attempt something yourself. If you screw it up, you can always take it into the shop and have them fix your mistake. It might cost a little bit more at that time, but it's all right. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it helped you out. If you're using this to help you, be sure to subscribe. I post videos every Tuesday. Hit that thumbs up button. If you aren't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. That really helps grow my channel. Helps, keeps me motivated to keep going. So I think about 90% of my viewers right now aren't subscribed. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment down below anything up, because it's gonna happen. But anyways, shoot straight.